If your Whirlpool refrigerator rolls forward when you open the doors, it's usually a leveling issue and the fix is simple. Start by removing the bottom base grill so you can access the leveling system underneath. Most Whirlpool fridges use leveling legs, brake feet, or adjustable rollers. Turning a leveling leg to the right raises the fridge, while turning it to the left lowers it. Keep adjusting until the front legs firmly touch the floor and the wheels lift slightly. Some models also have wheel locks or adjustment nuts. Use pliers to disengage the lock if needed. For accuracy, a phone level app can help ensure the fridge is perfectly stable. If the fridge still moves, check for extra stabilization pads and lower them to the floor if your model has them. Also, inspect the floor itself. Uneven flooring can cause rolling even when the fridge is adjusted correctly. In that case, small shims or rubber pads under the wheels can make a big difference. Proper leveling isn't just about convenience. An unlevel fridge can cause doors not to seal properly, leading to cold air leaks, frost buildup, uneven temperatures, and higher energy use. If the problem continues after leveling and floor checks, it's best to contact Whirlpool support or a technician to make sure everything is safe and working as it should.